This is very situational problem. Question is, by examining the test done at a government hospital, the probability that COVID-19 is detected when a person is actually suffering is 0.99. Probability that the doctor diagnosed correctly that a person has COVID-19 on the basis of test is 0.001. In a metro city, 1 in 1000 suffers from COVID-19. A person is selected at random and is diagnosed to have COVID-19. So this problem clearly is based on Bayes theorem from probability chapter. So what we will do, so to make it simpler, we'll make a tree diagram according to the given condition. So two types of person have, the person that have COVID-19 and one who does not have. Okay, and after the test, the person who has COVID-19 can come positive and can come negative also. After it is based on the test. Similarly, the person who does not have COVID-19 can be tested positive or diagnosed positive, can be diagnosed negative also. Okay, so what all probability is given to us? Person probability that COVID is detected when a person actually suffering is 0.9. Means the person has COVID-19 symptoms and detected also, means positive also. So this probability is 0.99. We can write 99 by 100. So negative will be 1 by 100. Okay. Then the probability that doctor diagnosed incorrectly that a person has COVID-19 on the basis of test is 0.01. Means a person does not have COVID-19, but report shows that he has. So that means this probability is given to us. Person does not have, but in test they diagnosed it incorrectly that person has the COVID-19 symptoms. So this probability is 0.01. That is 1 by 1000 we can write. So then negative will be 999 by 1000. In a metro city, 1 in 1000 suffers from COVID-19. Means this one we can write 1 by 1000 probability. So does not have COVID-19 will come 999 by 1000. Okay. Now according to this tree diagram, we can answer many questions. I will come to the questions now. What is the probability that a person selected is not having COVID-19? So see, probability was given very first where we have started tree diagram. 1 by 1000 have COVID-19, so 999 by 1000 won't have, that is 0.999. So option D is the correct option. Assume that the population of metro city is this much. How many persons are expected to suffer from COVID-19? Now it is clearly given in the question 1 in 1000. Okay, now we want in this much, means you can clearly see it is 2000 times of 1000. Okay, so here also we should multiply with 2000. So finally this answer will come 2000. So D option is correct. Question is, what is the probability that a person actually has COVID-19 when he is diagnosed to have COVID-19? See, remember the tree diagram. We started with 1 by 1000 population, then 999 by 1000 won't have, okay, have COVID symptoms and don't have. Then here we took positive, here we took negative, here also positive, here also negative. This probability is 99 by 100, this is 1 by 100, this is 1 by 1000, this is 999 by 1000. So now uh, what is our favorable outcomes here? Person has COVID-19 and diagnosed also. Means This one. Have also, diagnose also. Now Bayes theorem, I always tell that Bayes theorem, if we see, if we don't want to remember the formula, it is just the basic formula of probability of any event E, favorable outcome by total outcome. So here favorable outcome is have COVID-19 diagnosed also. But total means total outcome can be have COVID-19 symptoms diagnosed also plus does not have COVID-19 symptoms and diagnosed. Okay. So if I write this, first what we will do, first we will select person, COVID-19 person, and we tested it, it diagnosed as positive. So that probability divided by total outcome means we selected person from the persons which are having symptoms and diagnosed also COVID-19, or we selected from the person which don't have symptoms but we diagnosed it positive. So if we solve this, we will get one of these options. So I can simplify this 999 by this much, then 99 by, then I will write this as 99.9 because I want 10 less here, so that I can cancel from numerator and denominator. So these terms we can cancel. We'll be left with 99 by 99 plus 99.9. So that will give 198.9. So if I cancel from 9, it will give 110 divided by 222 point something. So that is very close to, I think A option will go. No, 9 221 directly we will get because 9 2s are 18, then 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9. Okay, so 221. So directly final exact answer we got as 110 by 221. The probability that the doctor diagnosed correctly that a selected person has COVID-19 on the basis of test is, that is directly will come from the tree diagram, 99 by 100. It is given in the question directly. So final answer will be 99 by